First of all, namaskar. Thank you, kids. Uh, yeah, I feel very proud because uh, when he started dubbing, and I was told that he would start his rehearsals, and तो मुझे वहाँ से फ़ोन आया कि उसकी rehearsals जो first day था, but he did so well that उसमें से कुछ takes actually रख रहे हैं.
Wow.
And he called me up. He took permission of the technicians and everybody, and he said, "Can I make my father hear what I've dubbed?" And he called me up on a WhatsApp call, and he
Speaker
made
पे रख के,
speaker पे रख के सुनाया, and that felt so nice.
Oh my God, that is so thoughtful, Yog.
I don't know what to say.
Do you remember that first action sequence you saw of Dad on screen and you said, "Oh my God, now
I
my..."
didn't know it was him.
What?
Yeah, I didn't
Which
know
movie was it?
I don't remember, but I didn't know it was him. And then I realized that he's the star, and then I couldn't believe it.
No, not really. But what I'm very happy is कि बचपन से not because of films or things like this.
Yeah.
इसको खुद ही शौक था. He's training in a lot of things. He works out on his own. He measures and calculates makes his own meals. In fact, decides his own meals. So he's very conscious like this. और ये मैं नहीं कहूँगा कि सिर्फ मैंने इंस्टिल किया. It has come from within.
Naturally.
But I think पहली आई थी 80s में,
जी.
and obviously I've been a fan of Jackie Chan always.
Yeah.
I think he's a legend.
Yeah.
And but since then I've been following Karate Kid, and सभी फिल्में बहुत पसंद आई थी. फिर कोबरा का आया. So I followed everything. I mean, I've always been a fan of Karate Kid.
I love the moment when he's training him. So there's a scene where he's training him and he's really taking the life out of him, and that just reminds me of this guy.
Yeah, I'm very happy. I think they thought of this, and in fact, when you got this offer, he got very excited, and more than anything, he got excited that at this age he wants to work, and he actually wants to work. Not in the film industry. He doesn't know as yet what he wants to do in life, but work. So, and when he started working, he was so excited and happy, and he started throwing tantrums also. For me, he's been very natural. All whatever I've heard, he's dubbed it very, very naturally. So,
Nice.
and it sounds very real.
Lovely. Karate Kid के आप कितने बड़े fan हैं, Yog?
I love Karate Kid. I've been following it since like forever. I
Yeah.
love it. I watched all the films. I've watched the Jaden Smith one. I watched Cobra Kai. I kept following the seasons of Cobra Kai, and now just to get this, it was really exciting.
Were you watching it on repeat and that's why it's inside of you how this works and how this goes on screen?
Probably.
Was it easy to emote the action sequences? Because you have to, you have to feel the pain, you have to feel that entire thing on screen.
It was confusing because it was my first time.
Yeah.
So to do that for like the first time, it was a little tricky.
अब पापा ने कहा बहुत सारी चीजें सीख रहे हैं. So before I ask you the last question, what is it that you're training in with all the fitness?
Just trying to be fit.
And not eat the wrong things.
Yeah.
You want to tell that to the youngsters here? That eat healthy?
Yeah, eat healthy, don't get fat.
So he calculates that once a week he'll eat a burger and a pizza.
Okay, I didn't see that coming. भाई ये लड़का कहीं तो आगे लाइफ में जाने वाला है.
When there's no choice left, I think there is no choice left then. And I salute to all the armed forces, the PM, the whole government. They had to do what they did, and they did great. And thank you. I would like to thank them very, very much.